Today I'll be addressing how to clear a battery bad status in your Carmanah beacon system. The general health of the battery is tracked in the form of an odometer. If the battery status is reported as bad, this odometer function has determined the battery health is too poor to operate reliably and the battery should be replaced. Battery health is evaluated by considering such things as the total number of charge and discharge cycles and the amount of time spent in a low state of charge. This low state of charge is when the batteries are at or below 10.5 volts. Once you have confirmed this battery bad status, it is recommended to change the battery or batteries for your system. The E and F series solar engines contain two smaller batteries, while the G series uses a larger single battery configuration. Remove the fuse or fuses for your system, disconnect the battery wiring, and remove the existing batteries for your system. Install the new battery or batteries and reconnect the wiring. To clear the battery bad status on the EMS, you will need to hold the set button down while applying power to the system. This can be done by inserting the battery fuse or reconnecting the battery wiring with the fuse in place. Continue to hold the set button down until you see the message 0 appear on the display. Once this has been done, the battery status should now be updated and reflect the current state of charge of the battery. If your system has a second battery, ensure this fuse has been installed as well. For more videos and information, please visit us at support.carmanah.com.